Mr. Mayor, I don't have a trust in what you are saying to me. Because since from last year, June 20, requested, up to today, and this thing my brother, you cannot feel that pain. Believe me, you can only sympathize with us. What we are facing there, it's totally danger. If when you are giving me an assurity that place is safe, then why don't you sign down? Because that place will be safe. That place is going to be safe. That means you will never have a fear because I know they will come and they will terrorize us. As long as nothing will change that. Mapotisa are faced dismal. They are afraid of Zamazam. How can you protect me who am afraid of the Zamazam and also you are afraid of the Zamazam? Then how can you protect me? It means you are telling me a totally lie. You are building lies on top of lies. That means it's an abuse of power. It's constantly inconsistent. Because some of our leaders, they are failure and they treat us like we are a filthy nation. They treat us like a low people because we are staying in shacks. Yes, we might be less vulnerable, we might be less fortunate, but we know that we've got life. That matters. If we chose to leave all our belongings there, then we run to this place. Then you think that doesn't matter, or that doesn't make any clue to you. How much did you spend to lose on them? Then we sacrifice to come and sleep on the wall with a flock of women and children and men in the same place. It's an unhygienic place, no food, starvation, anger, and all the things. Then you want us to return to the same place, which you hear it's a ghost town now. Then that means we are going to be ghost. Then if my only point is that if you are 100% sure, write me down, give me in black and white, so that tomorrow I know